Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Andrea and today I am setting up my bullet journal for August. This month my theme is summer fruits. Starting off with my quote page, I'm drawing a mason jar full of lemonade with an orange slice on the side and a couple fruits down at the bottom. I took a lot of inspiration for this month's setup from Amanda Rach Lee, and I really love all the fun fruits and colors for summer. This month for all the doodles, I am drawing and coloring them in with my Crayola Super Tip markers first, and then I am going in and outlining them in black and drawing in all the seeds. My quote for this month is "Squeeze the day." Had to go for that lemonade pun, right? Truth is, I don't even really like lemonade, but I like how it looks, so we're going with it. For my cover page, I'm writing out the word August in the center, then I'm filling the rest of the page with lots of fruit. For my monthly calendar spread, I'm again using a Tombow brush pen for the word August, and then all my Crayola Super Tips for the fruit. As always, I'll have everything linked in the description box below. I'm splitting up this page so Sunday and Monday are on the left and then Tuesday to Saturday are on the right. Each of the boxes is 5 spaces by 5 spaces, and then I also have a 2-space section at the top to write in the days of the week. Now I'm adding some colors to each of the rows just to brighten it up. And it is at this moment that I am realizing August starts on Saturday, not Tuesday, but we're just gonna go with it. When I first started bullet journaling, I used to rip out a page if I totally messed it up, but eventually I decided to just either white something out or cover it up with stickers or just go with it because, you know what, mistakes happen. It's all gonna be okay. Now onto my mood tracker. For this page, I am drawing out 31 little fruits to represent each day of the month. Since I'll be filling in each fruit as the month goes on, depending on my mood of the day, I'm outlining these ones first instead of coloring them in like I'd done with the previous fruits. Although, for the first one, I kind of forgot I was doing that, and that's why it has an orange outline. Now I'm just putting my colored key at the bottom here. And since I accidentally outlined the first day in orange, I'm coloring in parts of all the other fruits just to tie it all in. For my habits page, I'm making a circular tracker. I lined up the center of the circle maker with where I wanted the center of the circle to be. Then I used the holes to make 5 circles, one for every habit I'm tracking this month. Now I am lining up the 0 on the blue part of the circle maker with the line on the clear part, so I can start to make all of the sections for each day of the month. I'm using a Muji 0.38 black pen for this because the fine tip makes it really easy to use with the circle maker. Now to add some color to the page, I am coloring in each of the blank sections with different colored markers, and I'll use these colors to color in the habits every day. To tie in with the fruit theme, I made the center look like a lemon, and then I'm just drawing some other fruits all around the sides. My final layout for my monthly spreads is the highlights of the day page. I did this page pretty much the same as I did last month, where I just wrote out the numbers of the month and then some doodles on the side. And here is the overview of all the pages I did for the month. Next week, I'll be doing my weekly layouts for August, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on that and future videos. Give this a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.